Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and today I'm just going to walk you through 4 of the best affiliate marketing trainings that are available right now in 2020. So we're going to look at 3 free webinars that you can check out today if you want, and we're also going to look at one really reasonably priced training program that I recently started and that I highly recommend. So as you may have guessed, if you're looking at this, number 1 is John Crestani's webinar. And this is kind of a general affiliate marketing training. It focuses on Facebook marketing and ClickBank primarily, but it's a really good kind of introduction to what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to make money online and start building your online business. So this link is going to be in the description, and you can go here and sign up for it. And just as a note, it asks for your phone number when you sign up, but you don't actually need to provide a phone number. That's not a required field. So don't worry about that. Just give it your name and email address, and you'll be able to sign up for John Crestani's webinar. Next up is the Authority Hacker webinar. It's I think if I'm recalling correctly, it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours long. They may have updated it since I last saw it though, and it's a really good, just robust SEO and affiliate marketing training for blogging and content creation. And they really kind of lay out their entire process for you and explain how it works. And they basically just don't give you, like the secret sauce and the keys to the city kind of thing. That's, in their paid courses. But this webinar, this Authority Hacker affiliate marketing training is really valuable if you want to get into SEO or blogging or anything like that. So that's number 2. Number 3 is Paul Murphy's YouTube marketing webinar. This is, again, a free webinar that you can sign up for and just watch it. It features Mike Filsame, who is the creator of GrooveFunnels and a really well-known internet marketer himself. And then this guy right here is Paul Murphy, and he's the one whose program this is all about. He's a really talented marketer, and he specializes in YouTube SEO and YouTube marketing. And if you check him out, he ranks for a ton of different stuff on YouTube and makes a lot of money that way. So if you're interested in having a YouTube channel that makes money, then I highly recommend this. I highly recommend Paul Murphy's webinar. And this is called the Affiliate Tube webinar. So check that out in the description. And the last affiliate marketing training that I wanted to mention is called Work with Sebastian. This is a program that I just joined, and I'm really impressed with it so far. And so this is not a free webinar like the others, but it is a digital marketing training program and affiliate platform that you can invest in for only $9 a month. Right now, it's soon increasing to $97 a month, but right now it's basically kind of like beta access, and you can get in for $9 a month, or there's also a $97 lifetime option right now. So I just grabbed the initial $9 a month to get in, but I'm planning on upgrading to lifetime soon before the price goes up. And basically this is a really well-rounded digital marketing and affiliate marketing training. And it's not just the training though, you also get some done-for-you resources, and you also get the ability to affiliate sell Sebastian's digital marketing agency's services for really high commissions. So as a digital marketer myself, this is really appealing to me because when I'm looking for clients now, if I find clients that are looking for services that I don't specialize in, I can just refer them to Sebastian's agency and get a commission, and I can focus on working with clients who want the things that I specialize in. And anyways, so that is the final affiliate marketing training that I have for you to look at today. We looked at 3 really good webinars that you can check out for free. And then there's the Work with Sebastian program, which you can check out for $9 a month or invest in $97 one time for the lifetime. So let me know what affiliate marketing trainings you're having the most success with in the comments, and leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will catch you in the next video.